Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. Looking at the Ethereum hourly time frame, the price moved quickly to the downside with around 6.6% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 133. The volume was also high, showing that this move was strong and the sellers are taking over. Jumping to the Relative Strength Index, or short RSI, it is a momentum indicator that measures the internal strength of the price moves. The RSI is a bounded indicator and moves between 0 and 100. Typically when the RSI is above 70, the price is considered overbought and a pullback or consolidation could be expected. On the other hand, if the RSI is below 30, the price is assumed oversold. Now looking at the current hourly Relative Strength Index, the current hourly RSI of 21 is very low, which means that the price is extremely oversold and a rebound or some kind of consolidation is to be expected. Next, looking at the Stochastic Rsi, like the RSI, it also shows when a price has been oversold or overbought. The Stochastic Rsi, however, improves sensitivity and generated a higher number of signals by moving quicker up and down. It consists of the %K and %D lines. The %D line is a moving average of the %K line, meaning that it moves slower. Cross points between the two lines can be perceived as showing a change in the trend. Now looking at the current hourly Stochastic Rsi, we can see that the crypto is being oversold because the %K and %D lines are in the lower region. A change in the trend can be expected or for the crypto to remain at least stable for some time. The K line is currently above the D line, which shows that the trend has shifted to the upside. Next, looking at the moving average Convergence Divergence, or short MACD, it uses two moving averages, usually the 12-period and the 26-period moving average subtracted from each other to create a single line, the MACD line. Another line is used as a signal line, which is usually the 9-period EMA. You should watch for crossing between these two lines for a trend change, respectively a trigger for buy and sell signals. There is also a histogram often to the MACD indicator, which shows the strength of the trend. Now looking at the current hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. However, the MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently shifting to the upside and it could be expected that the price will consolidate for some time, and you should wait to see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Moving to the 3-hourly Relative Strength Index, currently, the 3-hourly RSI of 22 is rather low, meaning that the price is very oversold and we can expect a comeback or for the price at least to remain stable for some time. Looking for divergence in the 3-hourly time frame, there was a bullish divergence, but the price went to the downside, which was actually not expected. Jumping to the 3-hourly Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. Looking at the 3-hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. We can expect for the price to continue going down or perhaps remain at least stable because the MACD histogram shows the momentum currently being strong. Jumping to the Daily Relative Strength Index, currently, the daily RSI of 28 can be found in the lower region, meaning that the price is being more or less oversold and we can expect a comeback or for the price at least to remain stable for some time. Moving to the daily Stochastic Rsi, both the %K and %D lines are in the lower region, which means that the price is getting oversold and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. You should wait to see if there will be an upward trend to the crypto because the K line has not yet crossed the D line. Looking at the daily MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. We can expect for the price to continue going down or perhaps remain at least stable because the MACD histogram shows the momentum currently being strong. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.